Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Biodome Seed Starter is probably one of the most innovative ways to kickstart your gardening journey. This all-in-one system creates the perfect microclimate for seeds to germinate and thrive, offering a controlled environment that boosts growth and protects against common issues. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this seed starter promises to simplify the process and increase your chances of a successful harvest. Number 5. MIXC Seed Starter Kit with Humidity Dome. Are you ready to start your seeds? This kit from MIXC is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to get your seedlings growing. The adjustable vents allow you to control the temperature and humidity. This gives you complete control over the growing process. It's easy to adjust for optimal conditions. Each tray has drainage holes to prevent root rot. This promotes healthy growth for your plants. These holes ensure proper water management. The humidity dome creates a mini greenhouse effect. This helps to foster a healthy environment for your seeds. It's like a little protective bubble for your plants. Made of durable plastic, this kit can be reused season after season. It's also lightweight and easy to move around. This makes it convenient for any gardener. The MIXC kit includes trays, base trays, humidity domes, and plant labels. It's a complete solution for starting your seeds. Get everything you need in one package. What we like. This kit has adjustable vents, giving you complete control over the humidity and temperature. It includes everything you need to get started, from trays to labels. If you're looking for a comprehensive and reusable solution for seed starting, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free experience. What people say. The air vent is a great feature. The humidity dome helps to create the perfect environment for seedlings to thrive, promoting healthy growth and development. The lid works well for holding moisture in and can be adjusted for airflow. Number 4. Gardzen 5-Set Seed Starter Tray Kits. This seed starter kit has been upgraded with 2 air vents. You can easily adjust the ventilation for optimal seed growth. It helps you say goodbye to stagnant air and hello to thriving plants. These seedling starter trays are made from premium plastic. This ensures long-lasting use for all your seed starting needs. The attached stickers help achieve a tighter fit for maximum efficiency. Each seed starter kit comes with a generous 40-cell capacity. This provides ample space for all your seeds to sprout and thrive. It's perfect for starting your own garden paradise, whether you're a beginner or experienced gardener. The 40-cell insert tray provides a simple way to start seeds and grow plants. The drain hole prevents overwatering. The clear dome allows you to easily see the growth status. This seed germination kit is suitable for starting seeds. It's also perfect for propagating cuttings and nurturing young plants. It's designed to be user-friendly for all your gardening needs. What we like. This kit features upgraded ventilation with added air vents for optimal seed growth. Made from premium plastic, it ensures long-lasting use. If you want a reliable and user-friendly kit with ample space for your seeds, consider this one. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced gardeners. What people say. The humidity domes work great to keep the moisture in. The vents on top are easy to adjust. The lights are the perfect size and work well. Number 3. Seed Starter Tray with Grow Light and Timer. This seed starter kit features 8 LED grow lights, providing full-spectrum light similar to natural sunlight. It's perfect for all growth stages and plant types, boosting indoor growth by speeding up photosynthesis. The 12-cell seedling tray is made from high-quality, non-toxic PP material. It's strong, durable, and reusable, designed for both small and large seeds of various plants. You can easily wash it for extended use. This product offers different brightness levels to match each plant's needs at different stages. It also includes a timer with 4 settings to automatically turn off the lights after 4, 8, 12, or 18 hours. It has a humidity vent on the dome to adjust the seedling environment. Each kit also includes a drain hole to prevent root rot, ensuring the healthy growth of the root system. The set includes 5 seed germination boxes, each with a 12-cell insert tray, a transparent cover, an LED plant light switch, and a bottom tray. Additionally, it comes with 10 plant tags and 2 seedling tools, ideal for indoor cultivation and centralized plant management. This is suitable for seed germination and hydroponics. What we like. This kit includes full-spectrum LED grow lights, mimicking natural sunlight for your plants. It offers timer settings and adjustable humidity vents for precise control. If you need a kit with grow lights and precise control over the growing environment, this is perfect. It is suitable for indoor cultivation and centralized plant management. What people say. The humidity domes work great to keep the moisture in. The vents are easy to adjust. The tray is sturdy and easy to clean. Number 2. Seed Starter Tray with Plant Light. This Seed Starter Tray has 8 LED plant lights. They provide a full spectrum of light, just like the sun. This helps your plants grow strong and healthy. You can set the lights to turn on and off automatically. There are 4 different timers to choose from. You can also adjust how bright the lights are, with 5 different levels. The tray has vents that you can open or close to control the humidity. It also has holes to drain away extra water. This helps create the perfect environment for your plants. This grow light is made from strong PP material. The tray is built to last and will support your plants as they grow. It's durable and reliable. With the special lights and features, your plants will grow faster and healthier. They will get everything they need to become strong seedlings. You'll see the difference. What we like. This kit comes with full-spectrum LED plant lights and offers customizable timing and brightness settings. It also features adjustable humidity vents and drainage holes. If you want to accelerate plant growth with optimized lighting and environmental control, you should consider this. It's designed for stronger and more vibrant seedlings. What people say. With the way the lights mount, you can adjust them, opening and closing ventilation holes on the top. Nice touch, and you can control the humidity inside with this feature. I like that the bottom of the box acts as drip tray and tray with dirt and seeds hangs over that, so they're not soaking in water. I like that come with grow lights as I don't good sunny window for them. I did find the timer take me SEC to work out how it works. First each click is 4 hours, each click after that is 4 more hours. Ritengo il prodotto utile e versatile per la germinazione dei semi, grazie alla luce LED a spettro completo, con regolazione di luminosità su 5 livelli e timer da fora 18 ore, prise d'aria per l'umidità e fuori di drenaggio. Questi aspetti creano un ambiente ottimale per la crescita del piante, permettendo di controllare meglio il microclimate del vassoio e prevenire problemi come il ristagno di acqua, spesso responsable di marciumi e maladi fungine. Number 1. Park Seed Biodome Seed Starter Kit. This kit provides a warm and humid environment, perfect for starting seeds. The adjustable vents ensure good air circulation for your plants as they grow. You can remove the clear vent as the plants grow. The bio sponge is the best way to germinate and grow seeds reliably. You only need to plant 1 seed in each bio sponge, and they almost always sprout. It offers the perfect blend of aeration and moisture. Water the base tray, not the bio sponges directly. The sponges will wick up the water they need. It's impossible to overwater the biodome. Seedlings form lots of roots that grow straight down and out. When it's time to transplant, you'll see roots all over the sides and bottom of the bio sponge. Transplant the seedlings directly into their final home. The bio sponge holds together, and the roots easily fan out into the garden or container soil. It simplifies the transplanting process. What we like. This kit uses bio sponges for an incredible rooting medium, offering the perfect balance of aeration and moisture. It also features bottom watering, preventing overwatering. If you like a unique and effective seed starting method with easy transplanting, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those seeking strong root development. What people say. The humidity domes are great for starting seeds. The vents are easy to adjust. The tray is sturdy and easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.